the rain hitting my car. The sun's out to the left. It's kind of my first attempt at unintentional storm chasing. Got my phone on a phone mount. I don't really want to use it while I'm driving, or at least be holding it. The roads are getting really, really, really wet. Storms covering Lockport, Romeoville, Joliet, Homer Glen. Glad I'm in a truck. Romeoville now. So as you can see, to this way, the rain is blowing kind of slanted towards my car, but we've gotten pretty clear over here. Mainly just rain, sun's out. Further I get this way, starts to stop. Go back that way, and we're back to this. There's people still walking like idiots. We've had a few tornado watches issued. No warnings yet.